Here we introduce the use method of connector temperature rise test system. The equipment has two current output channels. The first channel can output 5 to 100 A of current. The second channel can output 100 to 2000 A of current. Please take out the sample before starting the test. Lead out the wires from the connector. Select the corresponding channel for testing according to the current of the connector. Now we connect the sample to the 5 to 100 A test channel. First, lead the connector wires out from both ends. Connect the wires to the two terminal blocks. Connect a thermocouple to the sample to detect the temperature change of the sample. The thermocouple in channel 1 is used to measure the ambient temperature and can be placed directly in the test chamber. Fix any other thermocouple channels to the measuring part of the sample. This is a clamp for measuring voltage. If the voltage of the test sample needs to be tested, the clamp can be clamped into the loop of the connector. Now let's introduce the control screen. The top row is the control section for the first channel. The second line is the control part for the second channel. The third line is used to display the temperature of the thermocouple. This part is the curve graph. The curve part can select channel 1 or channel 2. Click Setting to enter the parameter setting screen. The parameter screen has three modes. The first one is the continuous power mode. Second is the on-off mode. The third is the temperature rise control mode. Now we choose a continuous power mode. Set the corresponding parameters according to the test requirements. After setting the parameters, click Update to complete the setting. Click Back to return to the control screen. Click Start to start the test. If the alarm sounds, please check the alarm prompt in the upper left corner and click Stop. Click Reset to enter the parameter screen and adjust the corresponding parameters. Restart the test after completing the parameter setting. You can select the temperature channel curve to observe according to your needs. Click the box of the channel that does not need to be observed to uncheck it to close it. Temperature curve can be displayed in real time. After the test is completed, click History. Select Start and Finish Time or Date. Click Query Data to filter out the corresponding test data. After selecting the document, click View Data to view the test data. If you need to export data, click Export Data. Select the location where you want to save the file and enter a file name. Click Save, and wait a few seconds to complete the data export. That's all for the video. Thanks for your watching.